Since its inception in 1926, Londolozi has long been associated with the ancient art form of tracking. It's a place where relationships between trackers and rangers and the natural world has been fostered for many, many years now. The Tracker Academy was born out of an incredible relationship that was developed at Londolozi between a ranger and a tracker. Out of this incredible bond that they formed over years and years in the bush together came the desire to preserve this ancient art form.
Because of rapid urbanization in southern Africa, we've experienced a loss of indigenous knowledge, and with that, traditional skills of tracking. And the only way to restore that is to formalize its training, and that's why we started Tracker Academy.
It's a testament to the magic that can happen between rangers and trackers at a place like Londolozi.
In the 10 years that we've been in existence, we've trained 150 tracker students, of which 135 are today, as we speak, in permanent conservation jobs.
They didn't taught me only tracking, but they also taught me how to look after myself.
I am what I am now because of the Tracker Academy.
They changed my life.
And these young men are shining examples of the potential of this country, and they are an ancient art form preserved inside of a human being. We believe that this organization is doing incredibly important work in the environmental and conservation space right now, but also in the space of nation building.
They don't just train you to become a tracker, but they even train your life, how to be a good person amongst the community.
When I come back to Londolozi and I see how some of the graduates of Tracker Academy have ended up here as trackers, it makes my heart warm. I think there's 13 or 14 tracker graduates working at Londolozi, and they are making a big difference. They bring an energy to what they do. They're finding animals. Many of them have continued to upskill themselves. Some have become guides.
I'm so lucky to be a guide here at Londolozi and work with a tracker who is a graduate from the same academy which I went.
The next step is to advance tracking, to prove that these ancient skills have relevance in modern conservation efforts. Tracker Academy would not have been possible without Gaynor Rupert. She is our guiding light.